Good morning, students. So welcome to our online video class. Today I am going to start this poem Shopping for Time. So before starting this poem, I want to tell about this poetess. Poetess Shantini Govindan, you can see here. So Shantini Govindan, she has written many stories for children's stories as well as poems. She has written 40 books. She has written 40 books including poems and short stories for children, that too in English language. And she has also written for magazines and newspapers. She has conducted the workshops for children about the creative writing. And in this present poem, in the present poem, the speaker dreams of a special shop which sells time. She says that if there was such a shop, she would go there often to buy extra minutes and Sundays afternoons. So here, in this poem, present poem, the speaker, as a child, she wants to buy extra minutes, extra time, extra hours for the enjoyment purpose. She is not getting the sufficient for playing in her holidays. We'll come to know here. I'm going to start this poem. Shopping for time. So usually when we go for shopping, we go to the super bazaar, supermarket, and a garment shop, isn't it? For the provisional store. We will go for the garments shop for the purchase of clothes. We will go for the supermarket to purchase our necessary things which are using in our home. So here, shopping for time means she wants to purchase the time. The little girl, as you also face that you are not getting sufficient time for playing. In the same way, this girl also, she also finding the shortage of time. So what she is expecting, if there is a shop, she wants to purchase extra minutes, extra hours, extra Sunday evenings, Saturday evenings, summer holidays, one holiday, Friday evening, New Year, Saturday afternoons, 2 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Like this, she wants to purchase the packets of minutes, packets of hour. So here, if there was a wonderful store somewhere that we could step into to buy time. So what she is telling, if there is a wonderful store, means wonderful shop is there, if it is there, then we can purchase from there extra minutes, extra time. I would be a regular customer there, because I am always running short of time. So what she is telling, this little girl is telling that she would be a regular customer there, a regular customer for that shop. Because I am always running short of time. Short of time means she is not getting sufficient time to do work. Okay, I would buy small packages of 5 or 10 extra minutes. They would help me to stretch my hours a little more. So she wants to stretch her time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, stretching means to make long hours. And linger lazy in my bed in the mornings. So linger means here stay in bed for a long time. So during morning time, before getting from the bed, what she is telling, she wants again some more time she wants to sleep in the bed during the morning. So she is saying she wants to purchase the extra minutes to sleep more in the morning time. For just a few precious minutes more, I would surely buy some lazy Sundays, Sunday afternoons, and lots of sunny summer days too. So, she also wants to purchase the Sundays because she wants more time. She is finding the shortage of time during Sundays, and sunny summer means summer holidays. During the holidays, she is finding the shortage of time. She wants to purchase that. She wants to enjoy more and more time in these holidays. But I am sure that I won't buy any Monday mornings. But she doesn't want to purchase Monday mornings. They remind me of all the work ahead for me to do. So why she doesn't want to purchase the Monday mornings? Because it reminds the work she has to do. Monday mornings she has to go to the school. That her homework, it will remind her. So she doesn't want to purchase Monday mornings. Means she doesn't want to do work. She doesn't want to do her work, but she wants to enjoy. She wants to enjoy the time, Sundays, and this one summer holidays, and you can say that mornings, daily morning, when she is getting up from bed, she wants extra time again to sleep in the mornings. So I hope you have understood this poem. It's an imaginary poem, and what you are also expecting, you also expect the same thing. You also want extra minutes, isn't it, to enjoy. So this is a very beautiful poem. I hope you understood. You have to write these new words in your classwork. Okay? And these exams are coming near. After 2 months, you are going to face annual examination. So keep reading, keep preparing yourself. Okay? Thank you.